Hi Ultimate Gardeners, welcome back to the Ultimate Gardening channel. My name is Emmanuel Arce1, known to be the Ultimate Gardener. Come join me in becoming an Ultimate Gardener day by day. So in today's exciting spotting video, I want to talk to you guys about a bulb unboxing I'm doing from the company Amaryllis and Caladiums. They decided they would like to partner with me on this video. And as you guys know by the name, I did receive some Amaryllis here. I do know what's in here, and I wanted to showcase to you guys what I received. But I'm gonna make two parts to this video. This is gonna be the unboxing part, and then we're gonna make the video on the planting part, because I still don't have all my materials gathered up for this particular project. But I do want to show you guys the fun things I received from Amaryllis and the Caladium Company. So let's go ahead and jump right into the unboxing. So starting off, of course, you're gonna have your little receipt on what you purchased. You're gonna go ahead and have a helpful horticultural tips, Amaryllis and Caladium Company, Bulb Co. So here they will go ahead and discuss with you guys everything you need to learn on how to plant your bulbs. I'll see if I can find an actual particular PDF of this or an image of this. If not, then I'll take a really good quality photos on this and post it up on the screen for you guys to see more into detail. But I love when companies provide info like this, because if you're a beginner gardener and you just purchased this is great info to know. They also give you care instructions for your Amaryllis right here. Another great info to have on hand when you're planting them. So they'll go ahead and be packed very nicely. So here is the first bulb. This is the Blossom Peacock Amaryllis. They are tied in so cutely. I know a lot of Amaryllis are compared to onions because they look like onions. I love it. So let me go ahead and take this out. So here is the tag for you guys. Of course, I'll give you guys a more detailed photo up on the screen for you guys. And here is the Amaryllis bulb. So this is what a healthy Amaryllis bulb looks like. So this is the top right here, and this is the bottom. Clearly you'll see the roots down here. This is what you call a healthy Amaryllis bulb, and this is what you should expect. So once again, this is the Blossom Peacock Amaryllis. Next we have the Alfresco Amaryllis. This is a double white. All of these are doubles because they know I love double Amaryllis. So we're gonna go ahead and open this one up like so. Take the tag out for you guys to see. This is the Amaryllis right here. Of course, a detailed photo is going to be up there. And here is the bulb. This is another healthy, good sized bulb right here. And you can see here, I like to show people this, but here there used to be a pup. They cut those off most of the time so it can focus on their bloom time instead of keeping that alive. So they usually take that off. But usually in future dates, if you live in an area where Amaryllis is very hardy, like I'm actually able to plant them out in the ground, they will naturalize very easy for you guys. So once again, this is the Amaryllis Alfresco. So here we have the Amaryllis of Double King. I love this Amaryllis. I love the double red Amaryllis. They're just so elegant in a way. So here is the tag right there, and here is the bulb. Another healthy and great taken care of bulb. Once again, the top, the bottom, and amazing quality of bulbs, and they ship them out very neatly. So this once again is the Amaryllis Double King. So I want to discuss with you guys a little bit more into detail on what the Amaryllis and Caladium Bulb Company actually provides. So they provide a lot of options out there. So I don't really know about their Caladium side a lot, because I know they're really well known for their Amaryllis. So here's the three things they offer. The regular size of Amaryllis, which I showcased today. They showcase Jumbo Amaryllis, which are those huge bulbs that provide huge flowers. And they also provide Christmas waxed ones. A waxing coat of Amaryllis that bulb has been waxed is a new concept that came out not too long ago, and it's actually for the Christmas time, the Christmas season, and it's a super efficient way to grow Amaryllis in your house, because Amaryllis, they don't need a lot of things to grow. They don't even need soil, neither water. When it comes to the wax Amaryllis, it already has been provided with everything it needs, So you just set it out in an area where it does not receive direct sunlight, and you should be good to go, and you'll be able to enjoy your beautiful blooms. So once again, this is a family-owned company, and I always support these types of company. So once again, their website is going to pop up on the screen for you guys, as well as the 3 photos of the Amaryllis we showcased today, as well as in the description box below, all their media pages, including their website, and 3 product links for each and every single one of these bulbs. So once again, this is part 1 of this entire video, because I do have another video coming out on planting these babies up for the Christmas season. So leave me any comments down below on what you thought on this video, and thank you all so much for watching this video. Hopefully you guys found this video educational, informative, because I love filming this video. May God bless you and your family, and never forget to grow big, ultimate gardeners. Bye guys.